In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Google Sheets Mobile. There are two ways to do it, and let's start with the first one. Let's start by tapping on our Google Sheets app right here. Now, let's say you're working on a spreadsheet and it happens to be too bright for you. Maybe you're on a darker room and you just want to have this on dark mode. Just go back to the main page and tap on the menu. Now we go to settings, and once you've tapped on the settings, you have your theme. Choose theme, which is in light. If we tap on that one, we have three options: dark, light, and system default. If we go ahead and choose dark, it will automatically put our app in dark mode. So if we go back again, there are three choices there. There's dark, light, and system default. System default will be the other way to do it, but I'm going to show you after this. Let's just go back to our data set right here. Now this is much better. It's easier on the eyes while you edit your spreadsheet. Now let's go back to the menu and go back to settings and go back to choose theme. Now, as I told you, if we go to system default, this will be our second method in turning our Google Sheet app into dark mode. Right now, it's in light. Now we are going to change this by going to our phone settings. So if we swipe down and keep swiping to the left, you'll find your dark mode right here. So if you tap on that, it will automatically change your phone settings into dark mode. And if we go back to Google Sheets, it will do the same. So even though we're in system default, it is in dark mode. If we go to light, it's light. If we go to system default, it's dark mode because we have already changed the settings on our phone. So those were two ways on how to turn on the dark mode on your Google Sheets mobile app. And now we have our data set. It is definitely better to edit this, especially when you're in a darker room. And there you have it. So those were the two easy ways on how to turn on the dark mode in Google Sheets Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.